Ever wondered how computers store lists of data efficiently? Welcome to Programming Concepts. Today we are exploring arrays. Arrays are the foundation of data structures in programming. Let us dive in and see how they work in C#. First, let us learn how to declare arrays in C#. An array is a fixed-size collection of elements of the same type. Here we create an array of 5 integers, all initialized to 0. We can also initialize arrays with values directly using curly braces. Notice how arrays store elements in contiguous memory locations. This memory layout is key to understanding array performance. Now let us access elements in our array. Arrays use zero-based indexing. The first element is at index 0. To get the first element, we use numbers bracket 0. The third element is at index 2, not index 3. We can also modify elements by assigning new values to specific indices. Array access is O of 1, meaning constant time regardless of array size. This direct access is one of the biggest advantages of arrays. The computer calculates the memory address instantly using the index. What happens when we want to insert an element in the middle? Unlike accessing, insertion is not simple with arrays. To insert at position 2, we must first shift elements to the right. Each element from the insertion point moves one position forward. Only then can we place the new value in the empty slot. This shifting means insertion is O of n in the worst case. For large arrays, this can be slow if you need frequent insertions. Deletion works similarly to insertion, but in reverse. When we remove an element, a gap is left in the array. We must shift elements left to fill this gap. the last position becomes unused or set to a default value. Like insertion, deletion is also O of n due to the shifting. One common operation is iterating through all elements. A for loop with an index variable walks through each position. At each step, we access the current element and can perform operations. Here we are calculating the sum of all elements. Iteration is O of n, since we visit each element exactly once. Let us recap what we learned about arrays. Arrays have a fixed size defined at creation time. They provide O of 1 constant time access to any element. But insertion and deletion are O of n due to element shifting. Arrays store elements in contiguous memory, making them cache-friendly. Use arrays when you know the size up front and need fast access. Thanks for watching. If this helped you understand arrays, please subscribe. Next time, we will explore linked lists for when you need flexible sizing. See you in the next video.